in. Do not eat this. Never more. Your health is in danger. In recent years, Chinese cuisine has managed to establish itself in almost all countries, spreading a part of its culture with its typical dishes. Although it is a type of cuisine that uses ingredients and condiments very different from Western cuisine, it knew how to make a place in the preference of customers. But we have always heard stories that we never know to what extent they are true or are limited to simple unfounded rumors. One of them is the lack of hygiene or advertisements that promote fake products that are sold over the internet through sites such as Amazon or eBay. Many people were cheated in their good faith by buying over misleading advertising, fake products or even others that are prohibited because they are dangerous or toxic. To be prepared, we detail in this list a series of products that you should abstain and buy, as they can be a problem rather than a benefit, especially when it comes to food. 1. Imitation eggs. There are websites in China where you can see videos explaining how to prepare fake eggs and promise buyers very lucrative profits. The eggshells are composed of calcium carbonate, while inside they are formed of alginic acid, a compound that is obtained from algae, potassium alum, gelatin, calcium chloride, water and artificial dye. These false eggs can affect the nervous system and memory. 2. Nuts filled with cement. In 2012, a tourist in the city of Zhengzhou bought walnuts in which he found pieces of cement wrapped in paper. The cement is wrapped so that the noise does not generate suspicion. Another methodology of cheating and selling products that are a scam. 3. Pork meat for beef. Good quality beef is not common in China, while pork is much cheaper. The processes of marinating and the products that are used can be toxic and cause serious